Okay, focus.
Need more healer damage this time.
Oh yeah, dude, the big Ras, Marley.
I need more healer healing.
What I fucking... Excuse me?
Damn, damn.
Oh!
An ape, fuck. I do back. I need more bear healing, actually.
This is a pull.
I'll do it.
Oh, sorry, really?
No, okay. What?
Alright.
Get there. Okay, I'm on chaos coming. What's up? Fucking not see chaos in melee here. Okay, getting on the maiden after these blades, right? And it soaks with unbound. I do back one, Should we heal the rogues right away after this? Alright, just moving out here.
Or left.
Next Oaks and we Blossoms mid. Unknown Chaos.
I'm going middle.
First, yeah.
Second link.
Okay, Unknown Chaos coming now. Don't fucking die here, please.
Get out of the lane, please.
And then Soak's coming after this. Rising. Save.
Whenever Marley.
Blossom Soak.
Swapping the
That
maiden
one?
soon.
I can't.
I feel like you're still doing this. Watch these blades.
I got
now.
soaked.
So, one going through
Might
it.
get unbound before this rupture too. Be ready for it.
Gonna be late acrylic.
Far left.
Okay, just move out.
Left over here. Blossoms.
Watch your feet right now. Alright, then blades coming and then touches.
It's fine.
Just regular touches on this too. Pay attention to your soak order, please. Watch these
I'm going
blades.
front.
Alright, ready for soaks and unbound. Heal the rogues quickly after this one. I'll do back mid. And then be ready to move out after this one. Right after this rupture, we're getting on the maiden again last time. Watch your feet now.
Alright, Marley, whenever you...
Yeah, I'm dashing there now. I might get there at like 6, 7. Yeah.
You ready to swap in the maiden here?
Please personal here, please. Can't die.
Nothing vertical.
We have a res in 30, keep playing please. Acrylic is starting next right. Alright, just fucking nuking the boss now, that's it. Unbound Chaos coming, please watch your feet
Super low
here.
side, yeah.
I'm blinking behind you, Decree.
Oh, it's still alive.
Guess I'll just keep it out.
It might be late, right tree.
That's fine.
At 2 HP, I'm still at 2
Sonic
HP.
Hero. Hello,
Please,
come on.
we need to I can't reach Ted here. I can't reach him, I'm so good.
Versus up, versus up.
Oh my god, why did you make it this?
Do it!
Thanks, Decree, love you. Okay, ready for one last Unbound Chaos coming now, please. Don't fuck it up. Last one, just live here.
Give it up.
Okay, just move away. Anything you need to do to live here. Don't die to this.
I'll start this.
Make sure you get away, melee.
Start this one,
I'm
Duquesne.
over in the corner.
Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna need
did.
a heal.
Yeah, I have you, Jeff. Watch these
Watch
out.
guys. Don't get hit.
Blade coming down the middle.
I'm just taking for safety.
Okay, get out of the beam in 3, 2, 1, out.
Okay, good. Ready for an unbound chaos potentially. Ready for an unbound chaos potentially.
No, we're not getting it.
Okay, perfect.
Avalanche spot.
Make sure
Tech,
you
can you
have
take the first
healer's
stuff
dot here and stuff too.
Yeah.
Okay, ready to for soaks, please focus. And do whatever you can to not get hit with tornadoes. If you fucking survive, it's fucking GG. I'm doing the far back one.
Watch these melee nados.
He's going back.
Watch
It's far
tornadoes
enough.
sweeping your mid, No range on Stell here, please.
Melee nado. Don't get hit by that.
Okay, Zongo so far, Dreams, then Patty, I'll back up range count. Watch the tornado come in close to us again. Heal the melee, get in this link. Get in the fucking link. Jesus fuck, dude. Okay, I'm soaking far on this one.
Good one, iterate.
I will not be in
this one, be careful. Ready for Marks.
Really need to watch Marks here.
I have stack on Kevin here.
Spell don't resist.
He has Onk Totem, he has Onk Totem. Take whenever. Oh my god.
You guys
Tonic
can kill it.
one.
Yeah, keep going.
Okay, Blossom soaks far on this one. Mark's coming right after on fucking purple for this one.
I get stag over still. When the boss gets to me.
It's Kevin, then Patty, then Rage Freak. Any personals for this one, please. Sure we get soaks. Sure we get soaks. What the fuck? There's one trying to.
Yeah, we have many people.
Boss is for luck.
Keep going. Yeah, keep going.
Go for it, keep
I'm
going.
tranking already. I'm tranking already. Make sure we get the boss far enough away. Raid on Moon.
Remember, these next marks die. Yeah, these next marks die.
Any personals here, please? Just
Kill
die
yourself
over
here.
them. Tanks, if you can try and get that.
Nothing.
You're dead. I'm not even healing you. It's not with the fucking global.
Keep
Slaved
up
it.
the priest.
Okay, Remy, you're gone. Just
Soak
fucking
the
make this
the
soak.
meteor.
Get the soak, yeah. Good. I got it. Marks
Do it,
again.
guys.
Flying to Africa. Healing tonics, please. Just get them off of the raid. Keep fucking playing.
Finish it.
Do it.
Nice,
Nice,
guys.
What a fucking joke.
Anyone dead the whole face?
Yes.
Anyone-
Yeah.
I'm fucking trash. I'm literally trash.